Sekuyindaba ke hashtag the love trade movement ngiblomene ke nomnumzane uLindo Makhaye Mofaya uzositshela ke ukuthi ke how was the experience for them collaborating with Ikora FM on the love trade. Nomzane, how is everything? Mofaya, we know ukuthi Mofaya ihlezi letha umlilo ikas nekas la ifika khona. How was the experience and what's next? What can we expect from Mofaya?
Okay, it's been an absolutely amazing experience. We've enjoyed our time with Ikora FM. I think and I hope it's going to be a long-term partnership. This is the kind of initiative that Mofaya supports, and this is the drink of the people. So manje kunyanzeleka ukuthi sibambisane in the future. This was a very, very good experience.
Now, can we expect more of Mofaya in Zululand? Sibone itolo kuma shelves. Going forward, what's the vision? What's the plan of action?
We're definitely looking at making sure that Mofaya is accessible kubantu abuyibona abazobe-consume. So we're working on that. We want Mofaya to be accessible to Zululand. Sifuna ngwelezana, sifuna kuwo wonke amalokishi asempangeni, sifuna esikhaweni, sifuna everywhere. So sizolokhu sisondeza kancane ngokubambisana ne-Ikora FM and all the stakeholders involved.
Now we know iphinde ivulele ithuba to different people in different areas ukuthi babe part of a brand.
Look,
tell us
we're
about
working
that.
on making sure that one, Mofaya is accessible to the people that are actually the ones that by Puza. So we use our relationships that we can create along the way to make sure that distribution of this particular product. If we are so yes, we bring in as much people as we can that are based in different areas with access to Lebraya, and that's how we get to the people.
On the love trade movement. Hopefully on the next one it's gonna be bigger, and I mean
definitely the love trade movement was a great experience. This is the beginning, and I certainly hope so in a partnership with Ikora FM and take it all the way to the other areas as well.
Shabab.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Mr. Lindo Makhaye, Mofaya uzwele ke ukuthi ke kuhambani, expect more from Mofaya KZN. So cause we see Mofaya siyifaka ebantwini via Ikora FM because it's nothing but 100.4% of awesomeness. I'm out.